It just hits different, like it really does. I hate having to take the paper off garlic. It's the worst thing about garlic. It's the only bad thing about garlic, really. I'm very clumsy, it sticks to my hands. Bleh. Oh, I know why it's not coming off, because I didn't take the end off it, that's why. Cheese crackers and apple slices. Actually, apple slices would be good with that. Oh, some grapes would be good with that. Oh, that'd be the business. All right, I'm gonna chop these up a little bit. I think that'll do. I don't want to overdo it with the garlic. I don't want to overpower everything else. But it is very tempting. It's very, very tempting. I mean, I don't know why I'm making my own life more difficult by not just sitting down for a minute. Block cheese grater, just eat tiny slivers of cheese. I mean, you're set. Do you know what I want? This feels very silly, the way I'm chopping this, but look, we're here now. Do you know what I want? I want one of those things that you run over cheese that cuts the cheese into little perfect uniform slices for you. And I don't know what they're called, but I kept getting TikToks of people being like, why do people cut cheese with a knife? And my first reaction was, because a knife is sharp, obviously. But it's a little contraption, I don't know what it's called, you just go, and you just get like a perfect, I think it's probably just like a cheese slicer or something like that, you know? And the most useful thing in the kitchen, a chair. You sit down, you have a little rest to yourself, you're not wrong. Get out of here, little paper. It's kind of like a mandolin, but not really. Like, it doesn't grate it just gives you a slice. And people were mystified that people used knives to cut cheese. And like, I think cutting cheese with a knife is fine. Like, there's nothing wrong with it, but this just seems very, very efficient and very easy to use, No such thing as too much garlic. No such thing as too much garlic. I will not believe this kind of talk from myself. In Swedish it's called osthyvel. That could be the one. That could be the very, very one. It looks kind of like one of those Play-Doh toys where it comes out in strings. No, it's not out of strings. It's just like slices, not strings. It's just slices. It's just like you run it along, it just goes, nying. It looks kind of like a vegetable peeler, like a little bit, but not really. It looks like halfway between a vegetable peeler and a little, the thing used to take a slice of cake out. It looks halfway between those. I'd say that's plenty garlic for us now. Okay, let's go, we're starting. We've been here 2.5 hours, we're starting this anyway, and then we need to get on the focaccia once this goes in the oven. But I actually think everything is going to be done at the same time, and I'm very, very excited. It could be a cheese plane. That could be it. I didn't know cheese could fly, but look, every day's a learning day, A little bit of oil. Let that heat up for a sec. Aggressive mango, hello! I hope it's going to be nice. How are you? Lovely to see you. How's things? I need to sip my sup. There we go. And Aspen, did I say hello to you? Hello, how are you keeping? I'm just going to tab out for a second, just double check that I'm doing this right. Yeah, I'm gonna change the music as well because this is just about to end. I'm gonna pop on, I need something good, I need something. This is the one. I'm going to skip the start because I've heard the start so many times. Perfect, that'll do. Is the focaccia rising? Yes, it's fine, it's grand. It's over there, I can keep an eye on it. It's onion time. Time for onion. I'm gonna get one of these bad boys. That'll do, that looks... Yeah, that'll do. In you go. Yeah. Ooh, listen to that. Listen to that sizzly onion. Onion ASMR. Oh, that's the business. That is the business. Hey Google, set a timer for 6 minutes.
Sure, 6 minutes. Starting now.
Sound good? Sounds good. The good stuff. The best. It's such a good sound. Just like... Right, while that's doing that, I'm going to